No music. No music. Okay, so I've already steeped 8 bags of green tea. I'm not going to use all this. I'm probably only going to take 2 bags if I can get them unentwined. I'm going to take 2 bags and then I'm going to cut these open, place them in my blender, and I'll be back. Okay, so I have a bag and I'm just going to tear it and it should pop open. And I'm going to place it in this cup. You might want to let your bag cool off some. I know in some other videos, people were talking about how they left them in the refrigerator for a while to cool. But I'm not going to do that just because I'm not using this on my face tonight. I'm using it tomorrow. So it'll be cool by then. Take the other bag, rip it, open it. We're going to take a tablespoon of water and put it in the blender cup. Maybe we shouldn't do a tablespoon. No, let's do a tablespoon. Okay, so I have my tablespoon of water, my 2 bags of green tea, my blender chopper lid. Going to tighten that and then put it on the bullet. Okay, so after letting it blend for like 2 minutes, this is what it looks like. So I feel like that's pretty fine. Now we're just gonna pour it in this safe, reusable bowl. Make sure we get it all out. And then after I scrape this all out into the bowl, I'm just gonna place it in the refrigerator. And I'll come back tomorrow to show you how I apply it to my face. And that'll be all. I'm back. I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like. If y'all could really, I feel like you can't see it without it spilling out. But that's what it looks like. I feel like tomorrow it might be a little bit more thick. But if it's not, that's okay too. Because I notice like when it's too thick and leafy, it'll go on cool and you'll be able to rub it into your skin. But then when it starts to dry, like the leaves will start falling off and it's like literally leaves everywhere. So yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow with this on. Peace. For real this time. Okay, so this is the very next day, sometime in the afternoon. I'm starting on a freshly clean face and I'm just rubbing the green tea into my skin. And that's really about it. Okay, so the benefits for green tea for your skin. This is straight off of Google. I don't know, I'm spelling stuff everywhere. But anyways, it's antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and it can help with premature aging, UV damage, redness, and irritation. And it also has the ability to fight off bacteria that can lead to acne causing breakouts. So honestly, I don't know if this is going to help with my hormonal acne, but I just like it because it feels nice and it's natural. I have very sensitive skin, so it's just something cute to do because I can't do a lot of mask due to like smells and the stuff that they use in there. It just freaks my skin out. So I like this mask a lot. I have to use water. Obviously, I can't use honey because I feel like it'll make me have an allergic reaction. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this on my face for an hour and then hop in the shower, rinse it off, tone, moisturize, and that's it. I might come back in the morning to show y'all what my skin looks like, but I don't know. I'm currently drinking chlorophyll water, and I had like all these pimples come up overnight, which I'm actually happy because I've been fighting with my skin the past 2 weeks with like cysts, but they're finally coming to a head. So that means they're closer to being gone. So I'm excited about that. And then all I have to worry about doing, well, not worry, but all I have to do is just fade all the pigmentation or the hyperpigmentation that it caused. And it's done. It's over with. But I am going to document my chlorophyll journey. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned for that. It might be a week or two. And yeah. Okay, it's been an hour. This is how it dried. I'm probably not going to come back and show y'all how I tone my face and moisturize it. But I think I will come back tomorrow morning. Yeah. So, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Okay, y'all, it's the next morning. I look gross and crusty, but this is my skin after doing the mask and toning, moisturizing. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.